Fourth IPA National Pickleball Games have just concluded, and I have with me the president of IPA. He has himself won 2 medals. If the category would have, or if the norms would have allowed more medals, he could have won more medals. But sir, congratulations first of all for all the medals. But how was the event? What was the reaction? And what is the responses that you are getting?
As we wrap up the 4th IPA Nationals, I must say this has been a milestone event for Indian pickleball. We have seen over 4 days more than 600 matches played across various categories from juniors to seniors. We have had a landmark participation of at least 25 states, right from Kerala to all the way to Assam to Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, you name it, they're all here. We've had players from sub-juniors to juniors to senior categories, men and women and boys and girls, all have participated, and there have been some thrilling matches over here. This is totally a landmark event for pickleball, and this venue at Bennett University has been amazing, and I think we hope to do more tournaments here in the future.
Sir, apart from that, you spoke about more than 600 matches, more than 22 states participating in these nationals. A lot of eye-catching matches we have seen. We have seen some tough rivalries here. Also, not just the numbers, but the quality of game is also improving. What will you say about that?
Oh, the quality of matches has been tremendous. Whether you look at the team event, which happened for the first time, where we had under 14, under 16, under 18 and open category teams competing with each other, and the level of play has been amazing. I think we are going to soon see a lot of medals coming into India internationally with pickleball.
Let's see what happens, because India is already shining, and the pickleball is bringing a new dawn to our country with the revolution which IPA is obviously doing along with other stakeholders. It's really commendable. So what were the learnings? If you can name some learnings which you got from the 4th, or I would say from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, all has been going. What were the learnings for you as a president from this event?
Well, I don't have anything to complain as far as this event goes, but yeah, we hope to raise the mark every time. So next nationals we hope to make it bigger and better. But the support from Times and the support from Bennett has been phenomenal. The kind of coverage that this nationals has got in terms of media is amazing. The exposure the players have got in the media is going to be very encouraging for them, and I hope we're going to build on this. And I hope the sport is going to get more popular across India, and we have more and more, young players taking up the sport.
So I spoke with many players, pickleball players today, yesterday. For the 4 days I have been speaking. Everybody is talking about one thing, that the growth of this game feels phenomenal, and soon it will be inducted in Olympics as well. That's what they are hoping. How do you see the road for Olympics for pickleball?
So the Indian Pickleball Association is aligned with the Global Pickleball Federation, which is the governing body, international governing body backed by USAPA. And we have been working together towards achieving this Olympic dream. And we hope that we are going to achieve it soon. The IPA is also working towards getting the government recognition. And let's hope for the best.
I think Mr. Bhullar has gave a very diplomatic answer, but let me tell you that everybody, including myself, we are hoping that this ball will soon will be seen in Olympics. So apart from that, coming back to the 4th Nationals, you have also personally seen many games. I have seen you spending time in spectator stand. Which was your favorite game? It may be singles, it may be doubles. Which was the game which you were you were sitting here nail biting those moments?
Oh, I really enjoyed the 35 plus men's singles final, which was won by Rahul Belwal. That was a thriller that went across 3 sets. And I also enjoyed watching the mixed doubles final again, which was won by Arman and Sindoor. My own final, the 50 plus doubles match, was a very thrilling match. We were down by a set, came back and won the game. So the competition has been really good. Every single match has been thrilling, and like I said, the quality of play has been very, very high.
what will be the one message you would give to the youngsters or anybody who is willing to pick up a paddle?
Well, we want pickleball to grow in India, and I would love to see youngsters play pickleball. And the IPA is here to help and support any state that wants to, to take the sport up. We are here to support them, provide them with help, infrastructure, equipment, and we hope that the schools adopt the game soon. We are working towards that. Gujarat is already looking at introducing the game in the Khel Mahakumbh. So once that happens, I think you're going to have more and more children taking up the sport.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for speaking with us and wishing you all the best for future endeavors.
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much. Thank you.
So it was Mr. Surivir Singh Bulla who was just telling us that the 4th IPA Nationals here at Bennett University was a big hit, and we wish them all the best, and I hope that this ball reaches Olympics real soon.